Seago in behind. There is Manjeet Sharma, who does well to intervene. Appeal for a handball, not given by the referee. Everbright has it now on the edge of the area. Everbright cutting in, driving in. Everbright. It's got for chip ball. Oh my God!